Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 20, and we're going to talk about the types of federal student loans today. If you are just joining us in this series, check out the description below where you will find links to previous episodes in this series. So yesterday we talked about parents who refuse to provide financial information on the FAFSA and how it would result in the student only being eligible for unsubsidized student loans. So let's look at that to get a better understanding of what that means. So there are subsidized loans and there are unsubsidized loans. So the direct unsubsidized loans, and these are the loans available to the students, they're for undergraduates who demonstrate financial need. The school determines the amount of the subsidized loan that the students can get, and it will always be less than their demonstrated need. The U.S. Department of Education pays the interest, and it's offered at a fixed rate. Now, the unsubsidized loans, they're for undergraduate or graduate students. Demonstrated need is not required. The school still determines the amount based on the cost of attendance and any other financial aid that they have received. But the big difference is that the students have to pay the interest as it accrues. So while students are still in college, subsidized loans they accrue interest, but the U.S. Department of Education pays the interest. Whereas unsubsidized loans, the interest accrues while the student is in college, and it will accumulate for the student to pay when they do start repaying their student loans. So that's the big difference between subsidized and unsubsidized loans. And the unsubsidized loans are also offered at a fixed rate. Now, the interest rates on unsubsidized and subsidized loans are set by federal law, not the Department of Education. So sometimes people ask that question, how is that rate determined? It is determined by federal law. So again, continuing from yesterday, it can cost your students a lot more money, parents, if you do not assist them and provide your financial information on the FAFSA as well. And again, early planning is key to qualifying for the maximum amounts of financial aid available. So just check us out at College Cost Cutter. We've got solutions for most families. So thank you so much for attending and listening in today to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. Please remember to like and share, subscribe, invite your friends and family and others who may benefit from this valuable information, because we don't want families to leave any money on the table. Thanks so much for joining. We'll see you tomorrow.